Good afternoon, I am Danesh Ravindran, a third-year chemical engineering student and also an executive member from Public Relations and Sponsorship Department for the Plan for Hope team. The main event for Plan for Hope project took place on the 7th to the 8th of October 2022. Our target audience was the villagers of Kampong Sahom. However, we did provide informational content for UTP students. Our project took place at Kampong Sahom Kampa, and our team also has an Instagram page at Plan for Hope MPU4 and have managed to obtain 125 followers. Our main event took place across 3 different locations, which are Damai Chalet, Lubuk Petai camping area, and around Kampong Sahom motocross track. On the main day, the goal of our team was to successfully plant 255 trees of 3 different species, which are the Crowing Neram, Kelab Paya, and Mahkota Dewa, together with the villagers of Kampong Sahom. In the planning phase, we were assigned to brainstorm as a team and come up with a few suggestions for our MPU4 project. I have made a significant contribution in this project by suggesting a one student, one tree project, which was then finalized as a tree planting project. As a member of the PR department, our main job scope is to secure collaborations and sponsorship. I spearheaded my department in the preparation of email templates to be sent out to potential sponsors. The PR department is the backbone of the team, and we had to raise funds. I proposed the idea and led our team to participate in the C Awards booth sales by selling food and succulents. At the booth, I promoted our project to UTP students and handled the cash collection and payment. I also conducted research on companies or organizations that could be potential sponsors, and successfully with my team identified 50 organizations or companies. I then approached the companies through phone call, email, and physical visits. I managed to secure a sponsorship for my team from Petronas UTP Mesra, both RM 650, which included food and drinks. I was then assigned to negotiate with Damai Chalet management for food budget and costing for the 2-day event. My team and I also managed to secure a collaboration with Go Nature Campaign 3.0 for the manpower and a shared goal of planting as many trees as possible. During the project execution, I transported incentives to be given to the villagers and equipment such as the PA system, gloves, as I had brought my vehicle to Kampong Sahom. I then proceeded to unload the incentives, which were then distributed to the villagers during the opening ceremony. As mentioned earlier, as I transported the PA system, I then contributed by setting up the chairs, tables, and putting up banners to set up for the opening ceremony site. I was also involved in the site visits by the invited guests to the tree planting locations. I contributed in the tree planting of 3 different species of trees, which are Crowing Neram, Kelab Paya, and Mahkota Dewa across 3 locations, which are Damai Chalet, Lubuk Petai, and across Kampong Sahom motor track, ensuring no rubbish was left behind. I also conducted the interview session for Cik Haziq from Sahom Motocross to collect feedback and further improve our project in the future. Lastly, during the post-project phase, I made sure submissions were all done on time to make sure my head of department and supervisor had sufficient time to check and compile documents before submitted.